just woke up like this, literally all the way through. Everything you see I'm wearing, socks, pants, underneath pants, extra layer, shirt, sweater. That's what I slept in, because that's how cold it's been getting. I'm like, god damn, why is it getting so cold? And then when I woke up, I was like, it must be coming from under there. Because probably, arguably, my room is probably the warmest room right now. Inside the living room, it gets really cold. And so I'm thinking the air is coming underneath in there. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I just had a little meal cooking idea. Ooh, that's some pretty good lighting, by the way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab 2 items from my little pantry here, and I'm gonna share with you my little budget meal. So join me, won't you? First off, mac and cheese. And then I'm gonna take one of these P3 portable packs and mix it in the mac and cheese. Oh my god, like next level stuff here. All y'all living in 2018, I'm living in like 4000 BC right now. So let's make it. Step 1, remove lid and cheese sauce. Done. 2, add water to fill line in cup. Stir. Okay. Microwave uncovered on high, 3.5 minutes. Do not drain. Now that it's cooking, let's prep the P3. This one has honey roasted peanuts, maple glazed ham jerky, and sunflower kernels. Now let's prep it. Prepped. Hurry up already, gosh. Time takes too long. Dare I? No, that's not. Back to whence you came, evil. I am so impatient right now. Why can't I have like a Star Trek freaking replicator and just say, computer, mac and cheese, hot, tea, Earl Grey, hot. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Looks very enticing, doesn't it? Stir in cheese mix. Here we go. Look at that yellow shine. If I rub it any longer, I'd start a fire. Done. Time to stir. Loving them sounds. Oh, the steam. Looks alright, right? Now, the piece de resistance. Maple jerky. And finally, the peanuts. Ta-da! It doesn't look all that great, but gotta give it a taste test first. Here we go. It's not bad. I give it a 2 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease. And until next time.
Understand it, cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only Mr. Man and a fish like woman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Alright, we are.